Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Box Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a in the post, and this is in the post number 64. First thing is, change checkers must still have some blue cards left over from the original run, because I've had two sent to me. One was Victoria Cross medals and the other one is Tom Kitten. No good to man or beast, these are for me now. I've already got these ones several times. However, I do have one Commonwealth Games one, and that is the Commonwealth Games Scotland £2 coin. This is a new series that's come out. Now, I got this with a annual coin set, the blue card version, which I will be showing you in a little while. And I also, I think, received this one from Captain Coinman. He very kindly sent it to me, so I may have got my first £2 card twice, the same card. But, you know, these things will come out in the wash. I think one of the old ones of Tom Kitten or something like that came with this particular coin. This particular coin is, of course, the James Bond £5 coin, blue card. This is the latest one, 1980s. And it has the plane on it. I think it's like a monoplane, I believe. Single-seater plane. Of course, you have Charles's portrait on the back there. I will be doing a what's it of this, a review of that particular coin later on. I also went a little busy on eBay for a short while this past week or so. I got myself some pre-decimal coins to add to my new to my list. I've got here 7 bags of coins that I bought. I think it was 140 or something like that, pre-decimal coins, and a lot of 120 as well. So I've got probably around about 20 bags of coins. There's this one, and there is this one. This one is these ones are decimal coins that came out of the same lot. So these will be added to my bag of coins I've got to sort out for my date runs. This will be added to my date run bag. And I have a really big bag of date run coins to do of different denominations. So I'm going to have to try and get that done and sorted out shortly. So those are those ones. There's sort of old 10p's, old 5p's, giant size. And the penultimate one is, I went to the London Mint and I went on their website, and they have coins for different things that are happening this year or have already happened. This one here is Charles's enthronement, and that one's from Gibraltar. And then we have one for later on this year, which is Winston Churchill's birthday, or should I say the anniversary of his 150th year of his birth, which is why we got that one in the annual set, which you'll see in a second. So those two I'll be doing a review on in a little while as well. But rather than doing it in two different videos, I'll just do both of them in one video and do a little bit of research on them. And the last thing in this particular video is, I bought a set of blue card 2024. Let's just take that out a little bit. So we have the 250p's Royal National Lifeboat. We have the Team GB We have Buckingham Palace £5 and the two £2 of course are Winston Churchill, and also I keep on getting this one mixed up, this is a National Gallery. They did do one of the Arts Institute a couple of years back, which I keep getting mixed up on, and with this one, but this one's National Gallery. So that brings to an end the stuff I had for this in the post video. I have some blue trading cards. I have the James Bond £5 coin. I have 2 coins that are crowns from Gibraltar. That are coins for the Nation series. I have some decimal and pre-decimal for my date runs. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, could you please give me a thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. Also, if you haven't already done so, could you please think about subscribing? I am trying to get my subscriber levels up. I am aiming for 425 this year. I currently have around about 200 and just short of 280. So I do need your help, and if you believe I deserve it, could you please give me a subscribe as well? I do a minimum of 5, usually 6 videos a week. So hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching to the end, and until we meet up again, bye bye for now. Ta-da!